Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we should have a quick one. We just had ordered one item from Arktis through Arktis USA. Feel free to check them out. They sell stuff via eBay. So again, Arktis USA through eBay. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open real quick. Arktis, quality of endurance, established UK 1985. E-sales, arktis.co.uk. Well, that's if you're in the UK. You're out of Devon. Right. So, for you UK folks, that's their contact info. For us, you, again, Arktis country, wherever their locator tells you from their website. So, they took some notes. Let's see how it compares to here. Well, there we go. Arktis, quality of excellent, of endurance. This is their Boonie hat, color, Cadpat, size, one size. Oh, okay. Appears to be another tag in here. And this is, I pulled it up on their item. Do a short brim Boonie hat, Cadpat Camo, SAS SF, size 7 inches to 7.5. Theirs just says one size, so let's go with that. There's another label under here. Year of manufacturer 2019, so pretty recent. Got a drawstring in the back. Vent hole grommets on each side, and yeah, it's fairly short brim. Let's try it out real quick. Oh, we just have the neck strap with the plastic style of drawstring keeper. So let's see, how can we get this off of here? Will it pull through? Oh, look at that. Nice. Makes that easy. And it fits. Nice. Okay. So again, we just wanted to order one quick item from Arktis to help out our Cadpat Camo set. So again, Arktis, Boonie hat, Cadpat. Check them out. Different types of camo styles that Arktis is known for. So it's been another unboxing, unbagging video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on more specific vintage, milsurp, and tool type and other expanded items. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, as well as curios for the curious. Videos and more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you next time.